So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to measure our template. What's going on with that? So we're going to unlock it, and we're going to measure it at 6.8 by 6.01. After that, we're going to duplicate it. Okay. After duplication, we're going to go to the print and cut. Where it says print and cut, we're going to go to that option, and then we are going to go down to guide. Once we go down to guide, we're going to go here to our contour. We're going to push contour. It says hide all contours. We're going to click the top one, and then we're going to hold shift, and we're going to click the second one. And that is the first thing we're going to do. And that leaves us with what we're going to do with the score. So we're going to score that. We're going to go here to the operations guide, and we're going to click score. Now we're going to go to the second one. Again, we're going to go to guide, contour, and then show all contours. We're this one and this. No, hold on. Why did that happen? That is weird. And then we're going to go back here to our guide section, and then we're going to make that a basic cut. From there, we're going to connect these. We're going to attach them, so we want to make sure we have this lined up properly. Lined up like that, and then we're going to attach it. Now that this is attached, this is going to go to the Cricut, and where you see the dotted lines, it's going to score that, and where you see the straight lines with the color on the inside, it's going to cut that. Okay? That's how we use the box template. Alright, the next part is we're going to put it on the Cricut. Alright? Now we're on part 2 of the playing card box template. We're going to swap out our tools here. We are going to use the double scoring wheel. Make sure that you have the double scoring wheel. It really has the double lines on here on your double scoring wheel. Double scoring wheel. Make sure you have that. We're going to put it in our housing. And then we're going to just add our board. And it's going to make our score lines first, and then it's going to cut it out. So we're going to have to do 2 swaps. The first one we have to put in our scoring wheel. The second one we're going to have to put in our cutting tool, and then now it's about to score. And we're off to the races, y'all. Now, I'm not going to lie to y'all, this process takes a minute. So, I'm not going to bore you guys with that, but just know that it is scoring. Yeah, see, it is scoring our lines, so we can be able to fold in the correct spots. And we're going to let it do that, and then I will be back for the next part. Alright guys, we're back. We are going to swap out our housing. Boom, put this back in. Cutout process doesn't take long at all, so you guys can see that. It's going to do 2 passes because you want to use heavy cardstock. Heavy cardstock to do your boxes. So now it's on the 2nd pass. Cutting out nicely. Ooh, 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 ooh. Or does it do 3 passes? It may do 3. And we're done. Voila, our box has been cut out. Stay tuned for when I come back. We will be putting the box together. All right, we're back. So now we're going to learn how to change this into this. The first thing you're going to need is this. You can actually use whatever method of adhesive you want. It could be double-sided tape. It could be whatever you want to use, rubber cement. It could be whatever you want to use. I personally prefer the hot glue gun. So that's what you're going to need. Don't forget, this was made with heavy cardstock, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to fold along all of our score lines. So we're going to fold here, and then we're going to fold here. We're going to fold here, and then we're going to fold here and here. We're going to fold here, and then we're going to also fold our little tabs down. We're going to also fold the little tabs down. Tab it, tabbies. Okay, so now that we, nope, got one more area that I forgot. The top of the box. Here. And this this particular box is different sizes, and you'll see that in the score line, so you can actually make this bigger or smaller. So, and also you make it bigger or smaller also in at the beginning of it when we had to size it. So now what we're gonna do, this is gonna go, this part right here, this is on my left side, the part with this is gonna go inside the box like that. Okay, so we're going to take our hot glue and we're going to just, you don't want it to be clumpy or anything like that, but you do want to be generous and then kind of spread it around. Like that. And then we're going to close it up. Like that. Already our box is boxing. Check it out. Ooh. We're going to tuck. So these are called tuck boxes, actually. We're going to tuck it in like that. And then, voila. We have our box. Y'all, look. We have our box. We have our custom plain box. We have our box. We have our box. All right. So, that is that. The next part will be us printing out our images and applying the images onto the box. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty guys, so now we're back for the application of the images. Okay, we have a Faith Warrior image, and as you see, we're gonna just put that right there like that. Boom. So we're going to, I always have such a hard time separating stickers from their backing. Okay, so there are different ways you can do this. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna hope that I line this up properly. So you want to line it. And we're going to just bring it down. Like that. Press it down. Make sure you get all the air out. And boom. We have our box with the picture on it. I'm still trying to figure out a way to be able to print the image on the box itself. That would be so much better. But yeah, for the most part, that is the box template. That is how you bring it in. That's how you score it. That's how you everything. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and can't wait to see you in the next one. All right, guys. Later.